Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand what is group by function in Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we'll go in Power BI. So here we are having the name of the students and the marks in 8 standard, 10 standard, 12 standard. Now we require the average marks of these three standards. How we can do this? So for this, we'll go in group by name. We'll give the new column name as aggregate marks, which is average of marks. Click OK, and you got the average marks of 8, 10, and 12 standard. So this is a group by function in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.